Hi guys, just gonna have a little bit of fun here. I've got an old toy grade chassis here. It's one that I've obviously worked on in the past. Gosh, the left and right steering is pretty awful. I may be running it on too little power. I've got it on a little 2S battery in there. I could put it on a 3S, I suppose. I'm trying to remember what receiver that would have come out of. I mean, 2S is the same as 5 AA batteries. Yeah, no idea what that receiver originally ran on, because this isn't the chassis that receiver comes from. Never mind. What I want to do with it is just stick that on top of it. That's a paper car, a Ferrari F40, I think that one. But I think I might just chop the wheel arches out of it. Oh, just drop the transmitter on the floor. Yeah, chop the wheel arches out a bit. And just sit that body down on top of it. And just run it around for a few minutes. Then I can throw that out. Toy grade, radio control Ferrari F40. That turning circle is terrible. Yeah, I think I'm probably running up on a 2S and it probably needs a 3S. It's also shuddering a bit, so we haven't got much of a signal. I don't bother with toy grade very much nowadays. Actually, thinking about it, I could swap that to hobby grade quite easily. I think I'll do that. Right. I just happen to have a couple of ESCs, hobby grade receiver, and I think that's the right one. So disconnect that, disconnect that, disconnect that. Okay, that'll be the steering one. We need a... Oh, I could run it on 2 batteries. Any power in that one? Yeah. Run that one off that battery. Oh, I keep forgetting I haven't got my wireless microphone on because we're using the GoPro. That one on, switch that one on. Oh, that's no better on the steering. Need a bit more power. Right, fresh batteries in it now, or charged batteries. Yeah, obviously those batteries I put in it were flat. So, I'll put the body shell back on. I'm a bit loose. So the message there was check your batteries before you put them in. And probably make some proper brackets to hold the body shell in place. So there you go, that's our hobby grade radio control Ferrari. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.